Hey everyone, Colin here again. Now this is part two. In part one I showed you how to set up a live broadcast, so now in part two we're talking about launching it. So after you set up an event, you're going to see it down here and you just press launch now. It's going to open up the browser for you, and normally you would press start broadcast right up top here, but I already pressed it, so that's why it just went straight in for me. It's going to ask you to allow, so you go ahead and allow. This is just so that you can see me. That's how this part works. And now what you'll see here, above here you'll see the option for the chat. So if you want to take away the chat or add the chat back, you can do that. If you want to see the attendee list, you can do that or take it out. Now the great thing about this is that you can have no matter how many attendees it is, this is private to you. Only you can see this, but if you want everybody else to see, then you would click on the show button. But if you don't press that, then only you can actually see how many attendees are on a presentation. Okay, the file share, that pops up over here. That allows you to upload a file that other people can download from here. The whiteboard feature is right here. It's just a drawing tool, and you just pick the thickness of the pen, you choose the color that you want, and then you draw. Okay, so you can draw anywhere in this area, and that's what the whiteboard feature is all about. I will click clear to erase all of that. You take the whiteboard back off. Presenters as well. You click on presenters, you'll see if there are anybody that you have set up as presenters. They will pop up or not. And from here now you can hide the banner, right, or show the banner, completely up to you. Okay, but now in Design Studio, this is where you pull up your presentation. The fantastic thing that TalkFusion has done is they've already uploaded all of your presentations. So you just need to hit the drop down box and select the language of your presentation. So I select English, and I will go here. And you notice right here you can mute yourself, or you can actually pause your video. So right now in the background, as you can see, I can still see myself moving, but to the viewers, they can't see any of that. They just see video pause by presenter, and then you just bring that back out whenever you're ready. Okay, so like I said, really user friendly. So now you'll notice, since I selected my presentation, all the slides pop up underneath here. Now I just want to click on the first slide. Okay, and from here all you got to do is click on the next slide, or you can press the forward and back buttons to go in between slides. So you press the play button. Now if you want to actually have the video go absolutely full screen, you go down here to the bottom right corner, press enlarge. Look at that, takes up the entire screen. Fantastic. I'm going to press escape just so I can come back out of that for the sake of this demonstration. Alright, and as you can see, look at how simple and easy it is to move through your presentation slides. All you have to do is keep pressing the right arrow. That's all. If you want to see the slides that are coming up ahead, then you can just move the scrolling bar and keep moving. Right? So this presentation is already uploaded for you. If you want training, Diamond Rush training is also already uploaded for you. Everything is already done, so that's fantastic. That makes it so easy to use, and you just start scrolling through. It's right. I mean, for those of you that use the last one, you'll see that this is 10 times easier to move on to your next slide or select your next file. It is just absolutely awesome. Okay, so there you have it. Now if you've actually created any slides in the Design Studio and you save it, now this is where you would actually pull that up, right? So these are all the presentations that I put together in my Design Studio, and so now they're available here. So I can pull those ones up and I can select from those individual presentations. Okay, but that is, in a nutshell, is how you launch a broadcast, and I showed you some of the features here. And normally with the attendees, what you will normally see is right beside the person's name, you'll actually see a camera. If you move your mouse over it, it'll say turn camera on, so that will allow you to video conference with that person. Or you will see another symbol in the leftmost part, to the far left of that person's name, that says make presenter. When you do that, it actually puts the person up in this box right here, and it takes you out of it. It puts that person in control of the presentation, basically. And then whenever you want, there's going to be a little button right above here that says take control. So you can always take control back. Okay, and that is how you use it. As you can see, there's this big arrow here. That'll make it sort of full screen, but it's not the same thing as when you do full screen for the video. Okay, and there you have it, folks. And when you're done, you simply click on end broadcast. Sorry, my thing seems to be acting up, but you just press end broadcast whenever you're ready to close it out, and that's it, folks. So hope that you enjoyed that. Start using Connect right away and test it out.